5A. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Excuse me,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Here. Hey,
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait.
It's 5B.
Wait there. So, see, Hindi students usually we are sitting all class together. Please mute your audio. So, usually Hindi students, second language Hindi students, those who selected as a second language Hindi students sit in this Hindi class. If you select the second language Malayalam, no need sit in this class. You go to Malayalam class. Hindi 5th standard A, B, C, D all class together we are sitting in Hindi class. But the Malayalam class is different. Clear now? Yes or no? Okay. Hindi second language, Hindi students.
Ma'am, I did not get the Hindi book.
I am talking this one. For one by one we can discuss. Did you understand? 5th standard onwards, we are selecting any one language, Hindi or Malayalam. Those who selected Hindi, sit here. Hindi class 5 ABCD. I told you now, switch. Please, Haira, switch off your audio. Mic, mute it. So, Hindi students, A, B, C, D class all sit together. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Malayalam class, different class they will sit. If you didn't get a Hindi textbook, please contact to office. Now office available. I think lockdown also finished. So please contact to.
Ma'am, I borrowed it from my relative.
Ma'am.
I am.
I can write in Hindi. I can write in the Hindi note.
Hindi note. Morning you contact office. What will do? Office is available. Everything is here. Just you call. They will say. Clear? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So lockdown finish. You can come and collect whatever you need. Paper, books, or whatever you need, you can come and collect. Clear now? Okay. Yes. Any Malayalam students are sitting here?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is sitting here? Malayalam?
Sarah Rose.
Zara Rosa.
Ma'am, when I bought the books, I chose Malayalam, but I thought Hindi was much more better, so that why I don't have the book, but I have Malayalam, so that why I'm still preferring Hindi.
Just you should inform to office. And did you get a Malayalam textbook?
Yes.
They give to office and you just contact to office. They will say.
Okay.
Where is your house?
My house is in Puttanvelikara.
Now you are in Puttanvelikara or?
I'm in Puttanvelikara.
Just you call. Call. And clear. Okay. Make a call to office.
Okay.
Any other students join? See students, don't sit today Hindi class, tomorrow Malayalam class, next day Hindi class like that. If you select any language, you sit that class itself. Clear now?
When Malayalam class is there, we will have another class. When Malayalam class is there, we will have Hindi class to another board.
Who is asking that?
Rohit.
Huh?
Rohit.
Where is Rohit? Rohit, what is your doubt?
MST 5C class.
Rohit, where your second language Hindi or Malayalam?
Hindi.
You sit here itself.
Ma'am, is this 5C class? When we will have Malayalam class, we should come in other board to Hindi class. Ma'am, is this 5C?
Rohit, you A, B, C, D all class sitting together in the Hindi class. Not
Okay.
5 A, B, C, D. Rohit, you have selected only second language Hindi now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, chup raho. Sit there. Clear. Now, did you get the textbook, Rohit? Huh? Yes. Okay. Unnecessary questions are asking. If you are sitting in the Hindi class, you sit here and follow the whatever is going on here. Otherwise, you go to Malayalam class, sit there and go. Both the classes we can't sit together. Any one class. Last period full we explained this one. Have you any doubt? Again I am asking. Now all of you clear now? Now all are Hindi students.
Ma'am, I do not get textbook.
Are you please contact to office? Okay. Yes. Now last class what I told? Write and study. Swara Akshar and Vyanjanakshar
Vyanjanakshar,
and one more I told.
Swarakshar,
Swara
and
Akshar,
the
Matra.
symbols.
Yes, symbol also. Matra. Clear? So, already I arranged leaders? No, I didn't arrange.
No,
Each class? No. You didn't?
no, ma'am. The
Fine.
first class we only do like that.
Have you any doubts?
And we didn't select leader.
Who didn't get the Hindi textbook? Huh?
Ma'am, I did not get the book.
Makalai, please contact office. They will say. Yes. Clear? Okay. If lockdown finish now, sometime will be reached there. I don't. So, next one. Please mute your audio. Who is talking there? Yes, please mute your audio. So, we are going to take first chapter, page number 8. ओस की बूंद. ताजमहल के बारे में पढ़ें. No, just you think. Last year you was in 4th standard. Our Hindi textbook was very easy book, very small book. But here, not like that. So be careful when each meaning you write, and always you try to read more, give more time to reading, and do practice. Otherwise, you can't follow Hindi. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
And today you will take chapter?
yes, I will take. Yeah. So.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Chapter 1.
No. Chapter 2. Easy chapter we will take first. ओस की बूंद. ताजमहल के बारे में कहते हैं. ओस की बूंद नामक चैप्टर में. Yes.
5D class.
Yes. Who is that?
Delna.
Mole Delna 5 A, B, C, D sitting together in Hindi class. Clear now?
Yes.
Yes. ओस की बूंद. So प्रस्तुत चैप्टर में, प्रस्तुत पाठ भाग में ताजमहल के बारे में कहते हैं. ओके, ताजमहल के बारे में कहते हैं. ताजमहल लाइक ओस की बूंद. Clear now? ओस की बूंद. What is the meaning os? Os meaning dew. D-E-W, dew. ओस की बूंद. बूंद meaning drop. Drop. A cold time, that is drop meaning. Yes. So listen. समय अगर रेत है तो ओस की एक बूंद है ताजमहल. Risa Abdul Kalam, you go to Malayalam class. Don't sit here. If you select Malayalam, no, you go to Malayalam class. Clear? So, समय अगर रेत है तो उसकी एक बूंद है ताजमहल. ताज के महल like उसकी बूंद. Next one. उसको दे. No need, just you listen. Just I am reading now. Okay. Where is your finger? Touch your finger there and check spelling. उसको देखते ही मन में तासगी, हल्कापन और रोमांच हो आता है. When we are looking to Taj Mahal, अपने मन में, हमारे मन में
मैम फर्स्ट लेसन इज स्टेडियम की आंग.
Second chapter. Taj Mahal. Chapter 2, Taj Mahal. Now clear? Yes. Once more I will read beginning on. समय अगर रेत है तो उसकी एक बूंद है ताजमहल. उसको देखते meaning उसको, that, what is here? उसको ताजमहल को देखते meaning, what is the meaning? देखना.
Looking.
Look. Each meaning, if you want no meaning, write there. Dekh meaning look. Man meaning man. Heart. Man. Mem meaning in. In. Mem meaning in. Some meaning according the one second. One second. So are you seeing this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Okay, nice. Okay, listen. Man, what is man? Mind. Mem meaning in. Mem meaning in. So, listen.
Ma'am, is it ma'am or me?
Wait. See board. 1 second.
Ma'am, is it may or ma'am?
So, are you seeing the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mem meaning in. Clear now?
Ma'am,
Is mem meaning I. See the difference?
We want to write.
If you want to know, you write there itself. Man mem in our minds.
ma'am, ma'am, may
Yes.
or ma'am?
Huh?
May or ma'am?
Mem. Man mem. Okay. Mem I also. Here man mem in our mind. Tasagi. What is the meaning tasagi? Freshness. Tasagi. You write the meaning. If you want to know, you write all meaning there itself, in the textbook itself. Tasagi. Freshness. Tasagi.
Ma'am, I don't have Hindi textbook.
So I will, okay, in the class group I will send.
And we want to write.
By WhatsApp I will send to. Okay, you don't. You take a printout. Okay.
Ma'am, we want to write. I will write in rough book.
Yes, right. Tasagi. Tasagi meaning freshness. Halkapan. Halkapan meaning lightness. lightness. Halkapan meaning lightness. A feeling or feeling. Yes. ताजमहल को देखते ही अपने मन में क्या क्या आता है? तासगी, हल्कापन और रोमांच. रोमांच meaning happy, खुशी. रोमांच meaning happy आता है. ओके. ताजमहल को देखते हैं अपने मन में क्या क्या आता है? तासगी,
तासगी,
हल्कापन, हल्कापन. बताओ.
हल्कापन,
Halkapan. What is the meaning? Halkapan. Light. Our mind will be
lightness.
lightness. Our mind will be very light. Okay.
Right.
Yes, light. We'll get a freshness and romanch. Romanch meaning kushi also.
happy,
Okay, happy also. Once more, I will read that sentence. उसको देखते ही, किसको? ताजमहल को. ताजमहल को देखते ही मन में, अपने मन में तासगी, हल्कापन और रोमांच हो आता है. Clear now? That is
Yes,
sentence?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
Yes. Next one. If you didn't get it, if not clear now, on time, you should ask, I will clear. Okay, after the class, that ma'am took something, I didn't understand nothing. Don't say like that. Have you any doubts?
Ma'am, what is
In
the
the
meaning
class
of
itself, clear.
Man,
Kirtana.
what is the meaning of man?
Man meaning man, mind, manasu. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of romance?
Huh?
Romance, yes.
Romanch, happy.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of dasangi?
Tasagi, freshness. Not tasangi. Tasagi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sarah.
In the first itself, there is samai or rate
that's,
there, right?
leave it that one. That's समय अगर रहती है तो उसकी एक बूंद है. That's already that is their imagine they are saying. So leave it that. That's why I didn't explain that. समय अगर रहती है नहीं से that is समय meaning समय अगर meaning if red meaning very late तो उसकी एक बूंद है. ताजमहल that ताजमहल evening time is very nice. A time is there saying. Clear, Sarah? Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Of man.
Man, mind. Mind. Yes. Clear now? That's why I didn't explain that one. If I am explaining, no, nothing didn't understand. Only that at time, evening time, they are saying. Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, what the meaning of halkapan? Halkapan.
Halkapan meaning lightness. Tanvi, what? Tanvi, I didn't understand.
Ma'am,
Okay. Maria
what's
Binu.
the meaning of
Usko, that's. Taj Mahal ko. Usko meaning here, usko. Taj Mahal ko. Clear now? Usko meaning, I already told it. Taj Mahal ko dekhte hi man mein taasagi, halkapan aur romanch ho aata hai. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the heading?
ओस की बूंद. One drop. ओस की. Did you understand the meaning? Drop. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now coming here. रोमांच हो आता है. मानो meaning just you imagine. सुबह की ओस का स्पर्श लिया हो. Oh, what I feel. मानो just imagine. सुबह की ओस meaning dew का स्पर्श meaning touching also कर लिया हो. We are getting. When we are looking to Taj Mahal, अपने मन में तासगी, हल्कापन और रोमांच हो आता है. So इसके साथ क्या भी मिलता है? सुबह meaning morning. ओस meaning dew, dew, dew. ओस का स्पर्श meaning touch, कर लिया है. Just what will say no? Just you touch it in on the osiki bund. Or drop, just you touch it like that. We are getting happy feel, but we are getting happy and feel. Clear now? When you are looking to
Meaning of romance. Romance.
romance,
Romance meaning.
romance, happy.
Ma'am, what is the meaning by name?
May meaning, here may meaning, one slanting line and one dot in, in in. Two slanting line, one dot I. Last year also, already we studied. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next one, Delhi se,
what is the meaning of Mano?
Mano, just you imagine, Mano. Think, Maria.
The meaning of Mano.
Mano meaning think. How to think? सुबह की ओस का स्पर्श कर लिया हो. If you are getting that touch, that feeling, only that. Yes. Next one. ताजमहल के place where is that, इसके बारे में. दिल्ली से लगभग at least 200 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर स्थित है आगरा. वेर इज स्थित ताजमहल किधर है? आगरा. 200 किलोमीटर के दूर आफ्टर दिल्ली से आफ्टर 200 किलोमीटर स्थित है आगरा. और दुनिया के 7 अजूबों, अंडरलाइन, दुनिया के
The meaning of Ajuba.
अंडरलाइन दुनिया.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, wait.
Girl.
दुनिया के 7
Agra.
आगरा प्लेस नेम.
Dunia means world.
वर्ल्ड. 7 अजूबों, अंडरलाइन दिस वन. दुनिया के 7 अजूबों. 7 मीनिंग क्या है? 7
Wonders.
अजूब, वंडर्स. 7 अजूबों में एक है ताजमहल. दुनिया के 7 अजूबों. यू स्टडी दैट वर्ड. 7 अजूबों. अजूबों में से एक अजूबा है. अजूबा मीनिंग वंडर. 7 अजूबा में, दुनिया में के 7 अजूबों में से एक अजूबा है ताजमहल. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. What is your
Ma'am,
doubt?
what is the meaning of lagbak?
Lagbak meaning we will say no, at least, ekadesham, like
Oh.
that.
Okay, ma'am.
और दुनिया के 7 अजूबों में से एक अजूबा है ताजमहल. जो दिल्ली meaning who is asking that Delhi meaning?
Delna.
Very good. Delhi meaning, you check it that. 7 अजूबों में, I don't know, whatever you are reading, never didn't listen. Simply looking the word and asking meaning. You read first. First. So many words like Malayalam, same word. Man also manas. Man. Never didn't think. Just you look in that word and asking. You read, Makale. So read, check spelling, try to read. You will understand. Don't worry. Okay, it's very easy. Next, Taj Mahal, Jo, Yehim, Yamuna Kinare. Where is Yamuna Kinare? Yamuna Nadi ke Kinare. Kinare meaning edge or bank of that Yamuna river.
Canal, ma'am.
स्थित है.
Canal. Ma'am, canal. Kinare.
Kinare, yes, canal also. Okay. किनारे स्थित है. स्थित meaning a proper place. Where is Taj Mahal? यमुना के किनारे. Underline. Taj Mahal यमुना के किनारे स्थित है. स्थित, that also Malayalam word. Yes, स्थित है.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of ajuba?
Wonder.
Okay, ma'am.
Ase ajubom, wonders. Ajuba, wonder. Sarah, just you look. That's why I told. You read and find out. You try.
Ma'am, should we underline the Taj Mahal?
Ah.
So, yahi.
Taj Mahal jo, which here.
Yamuna.
यमुना किनारे. Yes, किनारे स्थित है. स्थित है.
Should we underline that?
Yes. ताजमहल का काम स्थित है यमुना के किनारे.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of Sid?
स्थिति. That is the proper place. Okay. Next one. Clear? Third. Is Ajube ki? One second. Makle, read your textbook very, very well. Otherwise, nothing you didn't get. Okay. It's not a 4th standard book. Is
Okay, ma'am.
Ajube ki? Is Ajube this miracle, this wonder ki kahani bhi? Kahani meaning story. Be also itni hi ajeeb hai. This also miracle. This also different. Ajeeb hai. That कहानी करते हैं कि saying इसे meaning ये ताजमहल, इसे meaning this मुगल बादशाह. Underline. Third paragraph. Last line. मुगल बादशाह meaning king. मुगल चक्रवर्ती. मुगल बादशाह meaning चक्रवर्ती, king. Yes, बादशाह है. शाहजहान. Underline. मुगल बादशाह का नाम क्या है? शाहजहान ने अपनी on बेगम meaning
Wife.
मुमताज महल. मुमताज, इसका उनका वाइफ का नाम क्या है? मुमताज महल. That is Taj Mahal. Okay. मुमताज महल की याद में meaning remember. याद में meaning remember में. Yeah, that याद में meaning in मुमताज memory. याद. memory. याद में बनवाया था meaning make. Okay. Bake. बनवाया made.
What is the meaning of Benvaya?
Made. बनवाया था made.
Or yeah, can we tell remembrance?
Remember or याद, memory, any word you also. Okay. याद में बनवाया. Underline. So,
Ma'am, what is lagbag?
Lagbag meaning we will say no. At least like that we'll say no.
Ma'am, what is one?
ताजमहल को किससे बनवाया?
Agra.
Who made?
Shahjahan.
शाहजहां ने बनवाया.
Mughal.
किसने बनाया? मुगल बादशाह
girl
शाहजहां ने
Mohandas
अने क्यों बनवाया? क्यों?
Agra
Why? मुमताज बनवाया, क्यों बनवाया?
Human via remembrance of the
याद में बनवाया
Mute your audio. I will ask one by one. What is my question? ताजमहल को किसने बनवाया? Who made? बादशाह शाहजहां ने बनवाया. Clear now? क्यों बनवाया? Why? Okay. अपने बेगम मुमताज महल की याद में बनवाया. Clear now?
Remember.
So together we can say answer. मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने अपनी बेगम मुमताज महल की याद में बनवाया था. Clear no? ताजमहल मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने अपनी बेगम मुमताज महल की याद में बनवाया था. So what is the
याद
question?
में बनवाया
ताजमहल को किसने और क्यों बनवाया था? ताजमहल ने किसने? Whom? Okay. बादशाह शाहजहां ने. क्यों बनवाया? क्यों? Why? Okay. बादशाह अपने बेगम और अपनी पत्नी बेगम मुमताज महल की
मुमताज
बनवाया.
बनवाया
So underline. It's very important that. Yes. So underline that sentence. Okay. So underline, only underline. So I'll have your textbook. Yes, I'll. ताजमहल को किसने और क्यों बनवाया था?
शाहजहां ने अपनी
ताजमहल को Sarah, I am asking to I'll.
Okay.
I'll is there. I'll.
Means who built it?
And forward. पहला आंसर बताओ. ताजमहल को can you say? No. Anybody can? Sarah, बताओ.
शाहजहां ने अपनी बेगम मुमताज महल की याद में बनवाया था.
Okay. अब what is the answer? ताजमहल ताजमहल को मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने अपने बेगम मुमताज महल की याद में बनवाया था. Clear now all of you? Okay? Yes sir. नाइनिका बताओ. किसने और क्यों ताजमहल को किसने और क्यों बनवाया था? बताओ. ताजमहल. नाइनिका unmute. Nainiga unmute and say. No. No. Nainiga, बताओ. No, didn't get. No. Navaneet, बताओ. Navaneet.
Yes, ma'am.
ताजमहल को किसने बनवाया?
ताजमहल को मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां बनाया.
You write and study that word. Okay. शाहजहां ने अपनी बेगम
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Mahal ki
This pen is in
Yaad
ninth.
Ben.
Vaya.
Benvaya. Clear now? Yes or no? Okay. So, listen here. Up to here, you read at least 10 times you should read and find out each word meaning and study that answer.
Now we have to read the full lesson.
No need to read full lesson.
Ma'am,
Up to where-
what is the meaning of only first page?
Yes, up to where we stop?
Ma'am.
Third paragraph. Third paragraph. Second line. Third paragraph.
Means 8th page full.
No, eighth page not full. Eighth page only first paragraph full, second paragraph, third paragraph, 2 sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanya, Tanvi, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of helicopter?
Lightness. Light.
Lightness.
Okay. So all of you read. Write and study this one. Mughal Badshah Shahjahan ne apni begum Mumtaz Mahal ki yaad mein बनवाया. That sentence write and study 5 times. Clear?
Ma'am, what is Begum?
Begum wife. Patni. Patni. Okay.
Ma'am, we can use. Ma'am, one doubt. Ma'am, one doubt.
Rohit, what?
Ma'am, we should read from the first imagination. I don't know.
First imagination.
Their imaginary part. We should read the imaginary part too.
Which one imaginary part?
That
That
ma'am
is-
don't know.
That heading I told. Osiki bones. Taj Mahal like Osiki bones. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ? ताज
Ma'am,
महल
what is बनवाया?
ओस की बूंद के साथ तुलना करते हैं. ओके, रोहित.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Banvaya?
Made.
And what is the meaning of Oski book?
Os meaning dew. Boond meaning drop. Okay. Clear now? Okay.
Excuse
bye.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the Hindi word of 200?
200.
200.
Okay. Say next class. We will continue.
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
read
See you
and
next
write.
class, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am, bye. See you next class.